In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a guest attendee from your Google Calendar event. Whether you've accidentally added someone or your plans have changed, no worries, it's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step with clarity and some handy tips to make things even more effortless. First, let's head over to Google Calendar. You can easily access it through your web browser by visiting calendar.google.com. Once you're there, locate the specific event where you'd like to remove a guest. The easiest way to do this is to click on the event itself. This will bring up a pop-up dialog giving you an overview of the event details. In this pop-up, look for the pencil icon. This is your gateway to editing the event. Go ahead and click it. After you've clicked the pencil icon, you'll find yourself in the events editing page. Here, it's crucial to locate the guest list, which usually appears on the right side under the section labeled Guests. This is where you can manage who is attending the event and where you'll find the person you're looking to remove. When you see the guest you want to remove, hover over their name, and you'll see the Remove option represented by a small X icon next to their name. Simply click this to take them off the list. Once you've done that, it's time to save your changes. Saving is vital because if you don't, the guest will remain on the attendee list. At the top of the page, there's a Save button. Clicking this will confirm all the updates you've made to the event. After you click Save, a prompt will appear asking if you would like to send a notification to the guest who's been removed. Here, you have two choices. You can choose to send them an update, which is generally a good practice to keep everyone informed, or decide not to send any notification. The latter might be preferable if you're making multiple changes in planning and don't want to flood their inbox with notifications. Just be considerate of how they might interpret the change in the absence of a heads up. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a guest from your Google Calendar event. By following these straightforward steps, you can manage your event attendee list with ease, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your scheduling needs. Whether you're adjusting your guest list because of limited spaces or simply making last-minute changes, Google Calendar simplifies the process, leaving you with more time to focus on what's truly important.